Hello there, Tiksurgers. Today we'll talk about widgets, widget and goals, how to set them up, how to edit them, and how to put them in your scene, in your TikTok live studio, or even OBS. So what I will try to do right now is set the first widget, so we'll test it, and we'll see that this is a which widget? A full widget. So if you don't write anything in the override content, it will show someone followed you. Now you can test another font size, and there's a background video. For example, here this is our scary video. I'll try to put it here. And this is the delay, so how many milliseconds it will stay on the screen before it disappears. Here is 1.5 seconds, and if we apply that and we press test, it will have the video. And let's remove that video. Actually, you can put any video again, like so. Public media, you can put any video here and it will show in there. And when you press apply, the widget data will update successfully. When you press set or test, it will appear. So this is for follow, and this will work for follow, share, likes, gifts, comment box, and any other. So let's put them all in. Actually, here you can you have a text widget. You can write everything what you want here. They all works in the same way. You can write what you want here. Change font size, change font family. You can change the shadow color, the content color, whatnot. Here you have a timer widget that works. You can start the timer and we'll start counting. Now let's copy and put in the follow widget in TikTok Live Studio. We just add a link source and we press on the copy. Once it says it's copies, you just paste it here, and when you add it to source, this link source, if you make it more big here and you press on the test button, it will appear here that someone has followed. Now that was very fast, so we'll make it like 3 seconds. Right, there you go. And press here and it will stay there a bit longer. Someone followed you. You can customize it to have another color, for example, like red, and the content color for another, like black. And you press test and you have it's like red and black, but black it doesn't work here because it's dark background. Right, and you can make it white, for example, and I think white will work very much fine here. Just, yeah, that works very good actually. And you can put the follow, the share. There you go, the follow, the share. You can put a link for a share as well. So here you go. Where's the share? You can rename it. So this one is the share, this one is the follow. And resize it. So actually when you press follow here, this for follow, it will start the follow one, and this for share, it will start for the share one. But here the text and content color are very bad, so we'll make it something like this color and this, I don't know, this color, and save it and apply it. Maybe change the font to this one, apply, and when we press test, this one will start, and if we press test on this one will start actually. On OBS it's in the same way. It's just you will put a browser source and you will copy the same URL and put it in there. It works the same for everything here. So even if I don't like that and I want to edit it with the comment box or whatnot, now if we put a comment box and test, now you have your comment box. Right, now you have custom widgets, which works with actions and events. So if, say, for example, you have a custom widget here and someone sends a gift more than 0, and content of widgets, say you want to say like spawned a player, and custom widget 1, you take it from custom widget 1, you copy it, and we edit this one, for example. There you go, someone sent a gift and it says someone spawned a player, like we did in the actions and events. Now that works the same way with on goal end. So on goal, for example, like goal end, it will start the event. So let's actually see how to edit goals. So this is, we can make this to be likes, for example, like, and we can change the bar color to, for example, I don't know, green. We can change the what will happen when the goal ends, and we say increase goal. We can change the color, the font size, the opacity to it if you want to make it like half as transparent. And there is wrapper color, so this is the color from outside bar, so make it maybe red. And you can choose the overlay image like I put here, like Minecraft, and when you apply it, actually it will change everything in here. There you go. They made a 100% recovery. Now after that it increases the goal. This pew pew sound is coming from this event. Someone is sending gifts, like sound on gift more than 0 from the from this profile of GTA V. Let's remove that. You see someone is sending gifts and it's more than 0, so it is showing that it's sending the gifts. We can as well copy the URL and put it, just put it as well in add source link and put it as well here, and it will show how you want. It seems you can make the custom resolution to be for example like that, and it will be more not fat. Everything works just fine like that. I just messed up the scene. There you go. There you go. It works very good. It works very well. After that, widget, the goals, we now know how it works. Works for the daemon, following common goal. There is a widget X which shows the last follower, the last whatnot. It is customizable in the same way. After copying the URL and putting it into the scene, let's just edit that. There you go. And there you go. Now the last gifter will come and it will say has sent how many what gift. And actually that's it for the widgets and goals. I hope you have a successful stream, and see you in the next video where we'll talk about the various integrations that will really impact your stream. This was Tiksurge. Bye bye.